bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
Rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my
flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, oh mine. You know how it feels, you know how it feels. Oh mine, yeah. Let's play a little, just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jane, Marilyn and Robert. But either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My big son.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for KissLove hair, and today I'm reviewing this beautiful highlight unit. I absolutely love this. I think it's just like the right amount of color. It's very subtle, and I actually do like this type of highlight just because it's not like your typical like bright blonde highlight. It's more of like a honey brown type of highlight, and I really do like that about it. So this is an up close look at like what that looks like. And not only that, but the hair is so healthy. Like look how healthy this hair is, you guys. Now mind you, I didn't put any product on this hair. This hair has no product on it. Do you see this? With no product. It's so shiny and healthy looking. I didn't even use a heat protectant spray to flat iron my hair. I just simply used my Babeless flat iron. I love this flat iron. It's a great investment. It is over $100 for this flat iron, but I've had it for years and I swear by this flat iron, it's gonna get your hair bone straight every time, because as you guys saw, this was actually a body wave unit. Even though the body wave was very beautiful, I did have to wash the hair and I did customize this unit. Something that I haven't had to do in a really long time, because a lot of these units that I have been receiving lately have came like pre-plucked and bleaching everything like that. So it was kind of like, I felt a little weird almost. I was like, wow, actually I'm bleaching knots on the unit. I'm actually plucking a unit. Like, I've been definitely getting spoiled with these units lately, but it was nice to customize this unit. It was actually really easy to do, and I just cannot get over like how beautiful this is. And it's super long too. You guys know I like really long units, but I did bleach the knots on this unit and I did pluck this unit as well, you guys. This unit is very full. One thing that I do really like about this unit is that even though I flat ironed the unit out and I was plucking it and doing all of that, this unit is still very, very full, and I love that about it. I would say this is possibly between 180 to 200% density. It's very thick, and I love that about it because you know, sometimes when you have like straight hair like this, it tends to like look a little too thin, and that's why you need to add curls to it. But this one can be worn both straight, curled, crimped, whatever it is that you want, and it's gonna look good either way. It's not like all see-through. I wish you guys could see it a little bit better. I probably should have wore a different color so you guys can see, because I am wearing black. It's kind of like blending in. But this is a 26-inch unit, so I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". This is a unit, and this is where it's hitting on me, you guys. Very long. I believe that this is a 26-inch unit. It's super duper long, you guys. Like, I love that. And like, look how nice and flowy it is. It's just so pretty. Like, love it. As I'm sure you guys might have noticed, I did not use any baby hairs today. I'm trying to go for the more like natural kind of vibe, because, you know, baby hairs are great, but they're not always needed. And I feel like a lot of times in the past, like I was being just very dependent on them. Sometimes I'll put them in just to like kind of spice the look up a little bit, give the look a little extra something if I feel like it's too plain. But this look right here, I just feel like it didn't really need to have like all the baby hairs. You know, I did do a zigzag part today. The lace melts pretty good as well. And I did put some foundation in the part, if you guys are wondering. And like I said, no baby hairs, you guys. It wasn't needed, like, especially if I was gonna have like a middle part. It's like, for what? But even if the wind like blows back, it's still like, you know, cute or whatever. But yeah, I just didn't feel the need to like add the baby hairs. I just felt like it would just be overkill, you know? And this is one of those companies that is just like a company you probably wouldn't know of. Like, I feel like this is one of those companies that's definitely a hidden gem. If you guys are looking for some good quality hair, I would definitely check out KissLove, because after seeing this, and this is just a simple body wave texture, like I can only imagine some of the other options that they have. And I have worked with them in the past. You definitely should check out some of my previous videos from them so you guys can check out some of their other hair selection, because right now I'm really loving them. And I love it when I find companies like this, the ones that are just like not the super popular ones that everybody knows about, but like the underdog, like myself. I'm like the underdog, you know what I mean? Like, not a lot of people know about me, but for those who know, they know, girl, and I gives it up every time. Hello. So I really do like this unit. I love the length to it. I love the density to it. And as far as the construction of this unit, it does have the adjustable straps in the back, but it doesn't have like the elastic band that a lot of the other units have now. So it's not a glueless unit, but I will say the unit does fit very snug, and I'm someone who has a smaller head, so I do appreciate that. So I do appreciate that about this unit, that it does fit very well. And if you wanted to, you can definitely get away with doing a glueless install. Just make sure that you, when you're cutting your lace, that you line it up perfectly to your hairline, and just make sure that the straps are like as tight as possible. But if you don't want to add any like adhesive or lace front glue or anything like that to adhere your unit, you don't have to, and I like that. But like I said, there's no flyaways, you guys. Like, this is just so healthy and so pretty. Like, hello, it's just bomb. And it's like, no matter how much you move it around, like, you see the flow. Like, this is how you want your hair to be. You don't want like stiff hair, you know what I mean? You want to be able to move your hair around. You want to be able to move your hair around at the end of the day. You don't want to just be like, oh, I'm stuck with just like one look. I can't, you know, my hair looks crazy. And I'm just saying, like, for me to not have put any product on this, like, I swear, you guys, I did not put anything on this hair. Like, this is just naturally how it is, and it's just so beautiful. It has such a beautiful luster to it. It's so healthy. Like, this is really good quality, and I'm very much so impressed. So if you guys are interested in checking this unit out for yourself, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, KissLove, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love this unit, and I just cannot wait for you guys to check this one out, because I really like it. And it's just like such a beautiful subtle highlight. The highlights are nice and cohesive throughout, but it's not like doing too much. And it's a great way to give yourself like a new look, especially for us chocolate girls, because I think this complements my skin tone very well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.